Hello, everyone, and welcome. This is Clint, the co-founder of Infinity Traffic Boost, and I want to cut a very short little video here to explain how simple, but yet how important it is to make sure you're completely qualified to earn in both our very powerful compensation plans. As you know, we have two advertising systems, a traffic exchange and a list mailer, and two completely separate, two completely powerful compensation plans. And gosh, I want to make sure that you do the simple things to make sure that you're qualified, even as a free member, to earn from both. So let's take a look here. First of all, Infinity Traffic Boost, as I said, is a traffic exchange. And the name of the compensation plan is the Power 11. I'm not going to go down the road, but once you understand that comp plan, you're going to be very, very impressed. And I want to make sure that you're qualified. What do you have to do? Just surf 10 websites. You'll activate your account. You'll initially be qualified to earn commissions as much as 30% on as much as $3,000, even as a free member. Okay, so really, really, really important for you to do this. So where do you find this? Okay, come over here, Traffic Exchange in the members area. Click on Surf Pages and click 10 pages. Each page will have a countdown to it, and then you'll be asked to click a particular color. Click that, countdown to your 10, bang. You're looking good. You're now able to move forward and you're qualified. Now, keep in mind that you need to surf 10 pages either every day or every other day to stay qualified. Once you begin to upgrade, you can go longer in between the times that you are required to surf. What we recommend people do is try and come in and surf 10 pages a day. All right. If you're an upgraded member, you don't have to. If you're a free member, we don't want you to miss out on commissions. So if you are helping us build our community, if you are earning up to 80% commissions to infinity depth in our system, please make sure that you stay qualified. Okay, now let's roll on down here to the list mailer. Again, the list mailer is also a very powerful compensation plan. There's two things that you need to do. All right, again, this is called the locked-in compensation plan. I don't want to turn this into a training, but that means as you build a team, as long as you stay qualified by clicking on emails every few days, you will earn even if you're not upgraded. That's very important to us, very important to Frank and I, that we give everybody a chance to earn even if you're not yet able to upgrade. All right. So what do you got to do? There's two things. One, come over here and edit your site settings and enable the ability to receive emails. That's super important because we want to make sure that you have that opportunity to click on an email and then stay qualified to earn within the system. The other way to do this, so you need to enable that. That's got to be done. And then number two, in order to earn, you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but you will not earn unless you enable emails. Secondly, come over here to Mailer and click on Message Center. Okay. As a free member, you need to view one email every 5 days to stay qualified to earn in our 10 deep compensation plan. Infinity width, 10 deep. Even as a free member, you can earn down 10 levels. Absolutely incredible what we do for our free members. We want to help you make money, want to help you make the money to be able to upgrade and build your business earning cryptocurrency. So what you need to do is make sure that you click on one message or one email in your internal box. You can also click on the emails you receive to your email. The other thing is make sure that you click one email every 5 days. My recommendation, especially for those of you that are not upgraded yet, is to view 10 websites in the traffic exchange and click one email a day. Just keep doing that. Make it a part of your process. That way you'll make sure you're always qualified. Third, join our Telegram group and our Facebook group. Okay, the Facebook group is right here. The Telegram group is right there. We want to make sure that you are being kept up to date. We're a little bit more active with the Telegram group. We always monitor the Facebook group, but always, always, always initially join only through the dashboard link. We've had some people some crooks out there create Telegram groups thinking like they are us. We will never add you to a Telegram group. Always be skeptical of that. We are the only way to join our groups is through the link on the dashboard. Okay, well, I want to thank everybody so very much. Hope that all made sense. And again, We look forward to working with you now and well into the future. My name's Clint, co-founder, and hey, let's make some money, have a lot of fun, and help a lot of people do the same. Thanks, everyone.